Easy peasy white wine mussels. Hello, welcome to the Silly Kitchen. If you clicked on the play button, you know we are making mussels today. And I'm gonna go with a very traditional, very basic, I shouldn't call it basic because really it is more classic because it's so flavorful and so delicious. And I just got back from my favorite seafood store, Coddle's Catch, here in town with a few pounds of mussels that I'm really excited to share how to kind of work with them and how to cook them. Now, mussels are one of those things when I was kind of exploring the food scene and really going out and dining and trying different things. Mussels are something I would order on a menu at a restaurant, but did I ever cook them at home? Nope. It's one of those things that if you're not used to cooking seafood, if that's kind of something that's new to you, it's scary. But here's the thing. It's really easy to cook mussels and steam them, and it takes no time at all. But there are a few things that you want to do before starting to cook. So about 30 to 40 minutes before you're ready to do your cooking, take those mussels out of the fridge and off the ice and put them in your sink with cold water. Give them a good soaking, and this gives you the opportunity to give them a little scrub, get any excess stuff off the shells, and of course, when they're sitting in that water, they're gonna kind of let some of that ocean grit or some of that sand also come out if there's any left in that. After you've done that little soak, that is it. Drain all the water out and we go to the stovetop to cook. Our ingredients are simple today. You need some shallots, some garlic, choose how much you want. I'm using 1 shallot, 2 garlic. You also need some white wine. Dry is probably my recommendation. I don't really want sweet mussels, so dry white wine, your choice. We also need butter, some chicken stock or vegetable stock, and a pan with a lid or a pot with a lid, depending how much you're making. We're gonna start with medium-high heat, melt some of that butter. And as soon as that butter is melted and your pan is hot, let's toss in our shallots as well as our garlic and give it a little mix to let that flavor come out. Doesn't take long. Up next, we're gonna go 1/2 cup of white wine and 1/2 cup of your choice of stock. Once you see that get nice and hot, we throw in our mussels. Cover that lid and do not touch it for 7 to 8 minutes. Depending how many mussels you're cooking, it might be 10 or 15 minutes. You know the mussels are ready when they are open. That's pretty much it. That's the test. Other than that, that is it. A very simple recipe. Serve it with a lemon wedge, add a little bit of green onion or parsley as your garnish, and get yourself a nice piece of bread or baguette to soak in all that beautiful juice that comes on the bottom of that pan. That's it. Easy peasy white wine mussels. Delicious and so quick to make. Don't be afraid and try making mussels at home. Till next time.